inquiries.
Senator Manakuru Tabitha Karanja ogolo ng'ur ewi gope mapok ochul e kaunti no e higa 2 mokalo kipimo kod omenda ma apisi mar gavana osebedo katiyo godo. Kuwuoyo romo gi moko kuom johala ma Naivasha, jatelo no noywak ni gopego osechopo bilion 1.2 kowuok e milion 840 manowe gi telo mokalo, ka gi e kinde no osuru michoko osebedo mana kalwar. Karanja wacho ni gope makamagi osemiyo johala ma kaunti no osebedo kipeyo. Wacho ni obiro chwalo twak e od buch Senate madayo dho gavanas ewi yore magigeto chulo godo gopego, komedo ni kata bed ni kaunti no osebedo ka yudo omenda mang'eny higa ka higa, ute mag thieth mathoth onge kod yien.
Watu wetu wa biashara, especially wale wamefanya na county government, wanaendelea wakichotwa. Wengine wamekuwa frustrated in a way. Wengi wao hata wengine wamekufa. Imekuwa frustrated in a way. Hakuna mtu sasa anataka kufanya kazi na county government. With that huge amount of allocation ya 45.6 billion. Kutoka hapo sisi hatutakubali hivyo. Na mimi namhakikishia nikiwa senator wenyu, nitaendelea nikipiga hiyo kelele mpaka tuweke governor at toes kuhakikisha watu wa biashara wamefaidika.
Why most of the businesses are in Naivasha is because of the God-given natural things like the lake, because it's a freshwater lake. But Madam Senator, the way we are moving, in the next 15 years, hii lake haitakuwa fresh again, because people have